Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes. So today I'm actually going to vlog because we will go on an event, na actually matagal ko na rin inantay, and I really anticipated this one. So di ba? Friday pa lang gala na tayo, and partido bumabagyo. Pero syempre, di tayo papatinag dyan. We'll be going to New Frontier Theater for the Unis FanCon. As you remember, I went to their fan meet last, I think, May. I'm a huge fan of them, and I'm supporting them since, I don't know, university kid, Ayun, actually nakaligo na rin ako. Kaso hindi pa ako makaalis dahil nagtatrabaho pa ako. Dahil Friday lang ngayon, guys, no? After nito, actually, matapos yung shop is 5, and yung start ng open ng gate nun is 5 din. So, pagkatapos talaga nito, nakabook na ako ng angkas, kundi GG tayo, mga tol. Hi guys! So ayun, nakapag-book na ako ng angkas, and currently nandiyan na siya ngayon. So, paalis na tayo. So, mag-transition na tayo dun. Let's go! everyone, you know. And so update lang. So nakauwi na po ako galing sa concert ng Eunice, and I think naman nakabait na ako and ready to sleep. You know, syempre hindi pa maglalaro pa tayo. Pero ayun, as you can see on the previous clip, I just shoot some clips ng Eunice performing. Mainly only the first verse and the chorus. Kasi for example, me, I want to record them performing, but I also want to watch the concert. So I mean the performance. So whenever I'm in any concert, so I just get the clips of them performing and then watch the rest of the performance. So yeah, hope you like it. You know, I have a really good seat, by the way. So nasa lounge ako, nasa taas, and nasa aisle ako. So medyo maganda yung vision natin. Yun lang, syempre pag may dumadaan, medyo hindi natin makita, wala tayong magagawa dun. One of the things that I really enjoy on the concert is like the fans versus Eunice, man. That's so funny, man. I hope someone in internet like record it and upload it, because I didn't record it because I'm just laughing the whole time. Also, you know, Eunice also performed Dinis Pantropico, which is really good, because a lot of people anticipated it. You know, simula nung kinover nila yun sa isang YouTube channel, I forgot what it's called. One of the things that I really that I didn't notice whenever like I'm watching them, for example on the internet, is someone actually. Her voice is really good, man. It's clear. It's good, you know. Don't believe those internet trolls who are saying like, oh, someone is just shouting, or someone technique is really bad. No, it's actually like really good. She's good, you know. Period. Oh, by the way, I just want to say just share actually on like the early part of the concert, yung staff ng Eunice actually nakaupo sa likod namin. So may isang Korean doon na she has a laptop. I forgot. I don't know. Maybe she's like their staff or Korean media, or maybe you're just a fan, you know. But sitting on that lane is actually their CEO and I think one of their staff too. So I when they're performing, we are actually like checking him out. Me and the one that I'm sitting with, who I don't know, I just met him in the concert. So we are like checking him out, and man, his smile is like ear to ear, like. Yeah, he's so proud. He did like that parental smile. Sorry. All in all, I enjoy it. Soon, of course, I will go again, but soon, I will try to get the VIP, because right now, di tayo nakakuha ng VIP kasi ayun nga, medyo nag-travel tayo, napagasta tayo sa travel natin, and we prioritize that one first. So, yeah, that's all, guys. See you again next time. Bye!